If you're looking at the Pixel 9a and wondering, should I get this? Let me give you one clear reason to buy it, and one reason you might want to hold off. Let's start with the reason to buy. The camera. The Pixel 9a punches way above its price. The 48-megapixel main lens and 13-megapixel ultra-wide deliver photos that rival $1,000 phones' crisp details, balanced lighting, and strong low-light performance. And with Google's AI tools like Magic Editor and Best Take, you're getting flagship camera features for just $499. But here's the reason not to buy. The build. The design is kind of bland. It ditches the iconic Pixel camera bar, and the back is made of plastic, not glass. It doesn't feel as premium as some competitors, and that might matter if you care about aesthetics. So here's the bottom line. If you want top-tier camera performance, solid battery life, Pixel 9a is a steal. But if you're all about that premium look and feel, this one might not hit the mark. Smash that subscribe button, or don't. I mean, it's not like I'll cry about it. Probably.